Today, we're learning how to make the hourglass block, sometimes called a quarter square triangle. The first step in making hourglass blocks is to make half square triangles. We're going to use the 8 at a time method. Lay out 2 squares of the same size, right sides together. I'm using 9-inch fabric squares, and my hourglass blocks will be 3.5 inches unfinished. Mark 2 diagonal lines from corner to corner on the wrong side of one of the blocks. Sew a 1/4 inch away from each line on both sides of the line. Then cut on each line. Now, there are 4 triangles. Cut each of these triangles in half through the center. This gives us 8 half-square triangles. Press the seam allowances toward the side of the darkest fabric. We're not going to trim these half-square triangles right now. We're going to combine them into hourglass blocks first. Place 2 half-square triangles right sides together, alternating the colors and lining up and nesting the seams. You can feel with your finger when the seams are nested right up next to each other. Mark a line diagonally from corner to corner and sew a 1/4 inch away from the line on both sides of the line. Cut on the marked line. Now it's time to trim the blocks. It's important to keep the center of the block where the seams intersect centered. I'm going to demonstrate 2 different methods of trimming the hourglass blocks. For the first method, we're going to trim before we press them open. We'll use a right triangle ruler and line up the 3.5 inch line with the seam line on our hourglass blocks, and then we'll trim the edges. This has the advantage of trimming all 4 edges with 2 cuts. So I've run into a problem here. My hourglass block is measuring about a 1/4 inch small. I tried cutting one using the 4-inch line lined up with the seam line, and I ended up with a 3.25 inch block. So I'm not sure if this is user error or an issue with this ruler, but it's not working super well for me. I'm going to try lining up the seam in between the 3.5 and the 4-inch lines. So this seems to give me the 3.5 inch hourglass block that I'm looking for. I'm sure there are other rulers out there that work better for this. Let me know what you use if you use this trimming method. For the other trimming method, the one that I generally use, you'll need to press the blocks open before trimming. You'll use a square ruler with diagonal lines marked on it. This is a simple square quilting ruler that I sell on my website in all different sizes. Just line up the lines with the seams and trim the edges. A rotating cutting mat makes things a little easier. Let me know how you trim your hourglass blocks. Do you have a favorite ruler? Can you tell me where I went wrong with the triangle trimming method? I know a lot of people use that method, so I'm sure it works well if you do it right. Thanks for joining me as we learn about the versatile hourglass block.